them, horses. I'm gonna sadly eat them. I'm going out hunting today. So off she went to far, far away lands where she found the fat cow. I'm so weak, but I'm so fat. I'm a fat but weak cow. I'm a fat but weak cow? How can that even be possible? Oh, I'm so dizzy. Now I'll kill her. She's dead. How am I going to get this giant... Oh, my God. She's a fat one, isn't she? She's going to last us a week. 3 hours later, the cheetah got the cow all the way over back to their den. And their kids. Got the food, finally. Got the food here, finally. Anyway, I'll hide it with the other food. Girls, time to sleep. Okay, Mommy. Ugh, dummy humans. We'll stop here and look for food, okay? Get the kids inside of the territory which we have claimed now. We're not sure if we are here to stay, but for now this will be temporary territory. Okay? Ah! Ah! Go and get the kids to safety now.